let's
So you can start.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to this evening recording. My name is Sudoj Nelson Achant, one of the front-end developers and some little part of back-end development for this project. Thank you.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Lucia Douglas, and I was part of the user interface and user experience design team with Nelson. And we mainly focused on creating an interface that is easy to use and provide a seamless user experience. Thank you.
Well, good evening, everyone. My name is Mwanguzi Alvin, and my role was to work on the back end of this project, and the main purpose was to integrate a database to our project. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Manyanga Lukia, and I was working with Alvin on the back end. We used Node.JavaScript.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Marcel Cobright, and I worked as a content strategist, whereby we collaborated with the developers.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bridget Kasamiri, and I worked on the system analysis team together with Shamim and Happy. And our role was to ensure that our system is free from unauthorized access and all security risks. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I worked with Happy and Bridget. We were working on system analyst system, and we were mitigating security risks within our system.
All right. The rest of the members that are still there, but will be able to get in. Our system, we definitely developed using programming languages, as mentioned earlier. As you can see, we used HTML, we used JavaScript and some Node.js for back-end, and CSS and some Tailwind CSS for front-end development and styling. So for you to be able to successfully run this system, or maybe to be making workable on your device, you have to make sure you run these scripts. For example, the npm run db init for initializing a database to create the tables for user and emergency tables that will store emergency is going to be reported. And this node database seed.js is going to feed in the admin credential logins for the backend dashboard for the users. Then we also need to make sure the server is running using npm run dev. So when you open up these files with your live server, I'm already running it on this port for front end port 5500. So this is what you'll obtain. So it's just a simple and user-friendly interface that has the key features as we discussed in the design brief, such as the real-time location, media evidence upload, security aspects, and the instant alert for the respondent. And then the type of emergencies that you can be able to report: the medical, fire, police, natural disasters such as floods and maybe earthquakes, etc. We also have how it works page that just describes how the platform works, and you can be able to upload your files in case you have, or maybe report an emergency. We have a frequently asked question. For some of the questions that you might not be understanding, you can find them from here. Who has access to my emergency report? That is for security. For general, how do you upload? All this fine. We also implemented a live chat feature to the website that you can be able to chat with and gives information. I have an emergency. It works. So basically, let me show how you can be able to report an emergency and how this website or this portal or the system is going to be able to capture your emergency. For example, if you have an emergency happening somewhere, you click on the report emergency button and you select the type of emergency that is happening. Let me assume it is a fire outbreak. For example, I select fire outbreak. Then you need to enter your name. For example, let me use my name, Nelson Ochan. And then you should be also able to put your telephone number and or you briefly describe the emergency that you are reporting. Due to time constraint, I may not be able to do that so much. Just maybe say fire outbreak at Mohika Hostel. And you can be able to also use this API integrated feature for Google location tracking, IO identification. If you click, it will be able to detect where your current location is exactly. So it will load and this information will be collected. You can go ahead, upload your multimedia evidence that you have, for example, maybe videos or maybe images. For this case, I do not have a relevant image as an evidence for fire outbreak, but I'm just going to show any. For example, use this. You'll be able to preview the image that you have there. And once you're done, you report your emergency. So emergency report submitted successfully. So it's collected to the database and you can close and it's being confirmed that help is on the way. You are being assured help is on the way. So as now a respondent or maybe a police, for example, you can be able to log in at the backend with your admin credentials, the email address as admin at emergencyresponse.com. That's enough space, sorry. And then password as admin123. Should be able to get at the backend. So this is the dashboard for the admin, as for example, Uganda Police. So when someone reports an emergency, you'll be able to see that there has been an emergency reported and from where and from who. For example, here the active ones are still standing 0, pending responses 3. There are 3 because I've been trying them. I've been trying the database on my local machine if it is accepting data and also the dashboard fetching data from the database. So you find out that 39 minutes ago, I was trying to test 12 minutes ago. And the one I've just reported right now is a fire outbreak at Mohika by my name, and then 1 minute ago. So this is where the Uganda, or maybe the respondent like police can be able to find out and get straight to the rescue. Now, below it also, we have the emergency trends that's going to show like the statistics for week, daily, monthly, etc. And this find out that the one for this is just a statistical report that fire outbreak report is dominating. We don't have any report on medical, police, or maybe natural disaster, and also some other status distributions that we can be able to find. So this is all about our emergency response platform. We designed it to meet the features. I don't know if Bonita has that joined us. Bonita, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Thank you for joining. I think you can introduce yourself and re-echo where your expertise was delivered.
All right, thank you so much, Nelson. My name is Bonita Pauline Nasaka, and I've worked with Masereka Bright as content strategists on our website.
Yeah, so Bonita and Bright were able to get us all the content of the website, like information, what we have to put, the frequently asked questions. We're able to code them here accordingly. This has been greatly their work. And thank you so much, team, for the good work.
Hey,
We are going to upload. Yes?
Like my name
Melvin.
is Barry Melvin, and I worked with Grace on the testing side.
Yeah.
My name is Mirabel Grace. I also worked with Melvin on the testing part of the application to ensure quality assurance.
Yeah,
All
thank you
right.
so much. Thank you so much. So we are going to be able to upload this, host it. We have to identify by all means, we have to host this, and we share the link with the lecturer. So thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My name is Happy Tenza. I work on the security part of the site.
Yeah, true. Thank you, Happy.